It's GCSE results time for the pupils of Ysgol Gyfun Plasmawr. But what did they get, I wonder? Mari, the day has come. You've collected your GCSE results. How have you done? Please tell us.
Well, I've done really well. I did better than I thought I would.
Well, what did you get?
I got a B in Welsh, and English I got a B, and a C, and an A in my art, and then A in French as well.
I got 5 A's and 3 B's.
That's incredible. I mean, that's absolutely amazing. I bet you're over the moon.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah. I guess, was that the kind of results that you were expecting?
Yeah, kind of. I'm really surprised though.
And a lot of young people put loads and loads of pressure on themselves to do really well. What would you say to people who maybe haven't got the results they wanted and maybe are putting a lot of pressure on themselves?
I'd say definitely don't worry about it, because a grade doesn't define you as a person, and you can always redo it, or you can always retry and start again with a fresh mind. It's never the end of the world. You can always do something about a grade.
So you have your results, you have yet to open them. Could you know, very brave young lady, I must say, could you please reveal what you've had now to us, what you've had?
I'm really nervous.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll be fine, you'll be okay.
I think I did okay, but I'm worried about English.
No, I'm sure English will be fine, don't worry about that. You got Welsh for that, so you don't have to worry about it.
That's right, yeah. That's right. Oh, I got an A star in English.
You got an A star in English, and you were worried about English?
Yeah.
I mean, if that was your worst one, I dare not think what the other ones were.
Yeah.
Yeah, did you do pretty good?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I'm really happy.